nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Give me your heart for Christmas. Wrap it with joy and cheer. Let every beat seem to repeat. Our love will last each moment of the year. Just give me your heart for Christmas.
Only your love will do.
And with each sigh, you know that I have given you my heart for Christmas too.
And when it's Christmas Eve, we'll sit around the tree
And hear the church bells ring. They're ringing for you and me. So give me your heart
Give me your
for
heart, darling, for
Christmas.
Christmas. Open it wide for me.
Just for Christmas, and in return, my love will burn as bright as every candle on the tree.
Give me your heart for Christmas. I can feel it in the air. Christmas time is coming. Family and friends are drawing near. Joy to the world, and heaven and nature sing. Hearts are filled with happiness and cheer. Oh, grandma's in the kitchen. The aroma fills each room. Still can making angels in the snow. But in the midst of silent night, holy night, and everything, there's one thing I have come to know. There's no place like home for the holidays. Everybody singing. There's no place like home for the holidays. Everybody singing. Presents underneath that tree. one for me. Little children everywhere still are looking for reindeer in the air. I hear a knocking at the door. 'Tis the season more and more as we celebrate the birthday of our Lord. Oh, Grandma's in the kitchen, the aroma fills these rooms. Children making angels in the snow. But in the midst of silent night, holy night and everything, there's one I have come to know. There's no place like home for the holidays. Everybody's singing. There's no place like home for the holidays. Everybody's singing. The old ones alone, the young ones alone. You know what, baby? It's good enough to make you cry. So good to be alive. Great, come on.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled.
See you through the week, see you through the window, see you next time, talking on the telephone. if I don't see you in that Indian summer. I got to see you further on up the road. Hello, won't you come back? You know I made it very clear. I want you to come back. In the Celtic New Year, in the Celtic New Year, if I don't see you, well, I'm going down Louisiana. If I don't see you, well, I'm down on Bourbon Street. If I don't see you when I'm singing Track of Diamonds, well, I got to see you when I'm on my lucky street. I said, oh, won't you come back? I want you to be of good cheer. I'm back home in the Celtic New Year. In the Celtic New Year. If I don't see you, well, the bonfire's burning, burning. If I don't see you, well, we're singing the glory and the tune. And I got to see you while it's raining deep inside the forest. And I got to see you at the wailing of the moon. I said, oh, won't you come back home? You know I miss you, my dear. Come back home. In the Celtic New Year. 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 Come on.
Christmas children peep into Christmas windows. See a world as pretty as a dream.
Christmas trees and toys, Christmas hopes and joys.
Christmas puddings rich with Christmas cream. Christmas presents shine in the Christmas windows. Christmas boxes tied with pretty bows.
Wonder what's inside,
What delights they hide.
but till Christmas morning no one knows.
Won't it be exciting if it snows? I suppose that children everywhere will say a Christmas prayer till Santa brings their Christmas things. Christmas children hunger for Christmas morning. Christmas day's a wonder